Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some profitable affiliate marketing products that I recommend you promote. And the key word here is profitable. So I'm going to show you some proof of results of profits. I'm also going to show you and give you 5 reasons why I recommend these products. Even if you're a beginner, an absolute beginner, this can work for you. Or if you're somebody who wants to add an additional income stream to your portfolio, like I'm doing. So first of all, I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to look at the affiliate daily stats. You'll see here that, well, actually, before we even do that, I wanted to show you what these products are. I predominantly promote these 5 products. 90% of the results I'm going to show you today are from promoting these 5 products. Now, those 5 products, what they cost me as a member, so they're a membership subscription. Now, what they cost me as a member for a total, they cost me $35 per month. So that's my total cost that I pay out every single month. You've got to be a member to become an affiliate, and that's my total cost, $35 a month. Now, what I do, I promote these offers with free traffic. All right, so I use free traffic, and the reason I use free traffic is then because everything is then going to be profit. So the key thing, when I give you the 5 reasons today, the first reason is not just get into profit. So let's put a list up over here. It's not just get into profit, but stay into profit. Into and stay into profit. 95% of people fail because they don't either get into profit or they don't stay in profit. So as a mentor, I teach my students, and I can teach you. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me. I teach you how to become one of the 5% who succeed online. And that's getting into and staying into profit. So going back over to the Warrior Plus here, if you take a look, let's go on the pointer. If you take a look, last month was $570. This month so far is $704, and we're on the 21st of February. So it's early today. Nothing today. It's very early in the UK, 11 o'clock, 11:30. So we've got 9 days left, including today, of affiliate commissions to still come in. So if you have a look and you see there, if you just take results so far this month and you deduct $35 from the 704, so far this month, there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So far this month, that is $670 of profit. So the key thing with affiliate marketing is to get into profit, and then you can take those profits. If you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you can take those profits, you can either save them or you can reinvest into buying more traffic and scaling up your primary business. So let's just get out of there. Now, the next thing I want to show you is, this is really important, is that this is a growing monthly income. So it's not a stagnant income, a growing monthly income. Growing monthly income. So you want to be promoting products where your income is growing. It's not stagnant or stable. It's not in decline. It's a growing income. I'll just show you some proof of the growth of this here. So we're going to go into transactions. Now, if I go into, let's have a look. If I go into last year, So Warrior Plus is great for giving you all your stats. We're going to go into last year. Now, if we look at last year, you look at the commissions, this right-hand column here, you look at last year, $5,600. So that was from the 1st of January to 31st of December. So we're going to make a mental note of $5,600 because we're going to go to the previous year. If you go into the previous year and we go into New Year's Day on the 2022 and we go into the last day of the year, this is just show you proof this is a growing income stream. 31st. So 5,600 in commissions for last year. And then for 2022, it was 1,957. So you'll see the growth there of the system and the products. And then if we go on to now onto year to date, so far this year, so last year was 5,000, but we're already up to 1,257. So that's roughly about 600, averaging about 600 a month. So 612 will be 7,000. So again, it's growing again. So I want to show you that because it's really important to show you this is a growing income and not just one that's in decline. These are in demand and profitable products. The next reason is that what you can do is you can earn multiple income streams. So I always recommend that you find products where you can earn multiple income streams, but more importantly, promoting one link. And this is the key. This is the key to selling more and more products. So if I go over here into all time, and you see how many products have been sold, we're approaching 2,000 products sold here in this column here, 1,964 items. Now, the reason that's really important is because you get into profit even faster. So when you look at this product here, sorry, I'm jumping about a bit here. Click Traffic Cyclone, this one here. Then we go into my Gmail account and show you where I get all my notifications for my Warrior Plus referrals. You'll see that this has got one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2, one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2, one-time offer 4, one-time offer 5, $46, $30. So these are multiple income streams. They've all got done for you funnels built into them. The white ones, not everybody upgrades. You're not going to get every single person upgrading. Some want to just become a member and not become an affiliate. They just want to promote their offers within the traffic systems. But you'll see here, one-time offer, one-time offer. So what I teach my students is to promote multiple income streams, promoting just one link. One-time offer to 1, 2, and 3, and that's just on my other videos. I've done lots of other videos talking about this and highlighting this. Now a new one, this one here gives even higher ticket commissions. This gives a high ticket commission up to $850. So this one here is called the Click Generator, and that is this one, a new one, this one here, the Click Generator. Now, what the owners of the Click Generator have done, Frank and John, traffic experts, they also sell clicks for top tier traffic. Now you'll see here, this one here retails at $8,500. And then you promote your affiliate link, you get an affiliate link here. And then if any of your referrals buy any of these products here, you're going to earn the commissions. And they're paying you $850 here in commission. You don't have to buy this yourself. So that's very rare in the industry. Most product owners like you to buy their high ticket commission offer before they'll even give you an affiliate link to promote it. So, and again, lots of other higher ticket products here: $6,000, $2,000, 500, 950. And then you've got your monthly subscriptions here. All these are recurring incomes. And this costs you $5 per month. So you're going to get autopilot buyers traffic, and you've got an opportunity to be able to get into profit faster with the high ticket upsells. So that was going to be reason number 4, high ticket upsells. And reason number 5 is that these products are in an evergreen niche. And what that means is that every single person that comes online, they're in demand. Every single person that comes online needs traffic. So it doesn't matter whether they're joining an MLM, an affiliate program. It doesn't matter whether they're joining crypto, whether they're promoting software training. This is an evergreen niche, and you've got thousands and thousands of new people coming online every day. And the first thing they do when they actually look to, when they join a program, the first thing they do is look for traffic. So I highly recommend you spend a percentage of your promotions promoting traffic. So I give you my funnels. I've created funnels for each and every one of these. Let me show you again. For each and every one of these products, I've created done for you funnels. The last one will be finished by the end of this week. They'll all be completed by the end of this week or early next week. And I give you my done for you funnels if you partner with me. So all the links will be in the description. If you partner with me, just send me an email from the link in the description. I give you my lead capture pages with all the selling and telling proof videos. Your prospects will opt into here. Then they'll get taken to this page here, and they'll get this is your proven system that I give you. And then I do all the selling and telling here. So I update all these proof of commissions. You just put your affiliate links into here. You earn the commissions, and then I give you all the share codes with Leads Leap on how to duplicate this and create this funnel, and even give you the actual tutorials, video tutorials of how to just copy and paste these codes here called share codes, and this complete funnel will be yours. All you've got to do is just copy and paste those links in there, and then just put your affiliate links into here, and then you can earn these commissions. I've also given you the email follow-ups. I've written these personally by hand. They're not done by ChatGPT or AI. I give you everything I've got, everything I personally use to get into profit with affiliate marketing. And I also give you this page as well and teach you my proven system that I personally use here to duplicate the results that I'm showing you here today. So this video here, this tutorial, this system that I've created, perfect for beginners, will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So I just recommend you watch that all the way through, and then you can join Warrior Plus for free. It's a free account to set up Warrior Plus, and then you can start. I started this system with the Click engine for just $5. That's how I started with Warrior Plus. So I'm just conscious of time here. I've only got 30 seconds left. So if you've enjoyed today's video, there will be an income disclaimer. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers and promote them as an affiliate. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a like. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. So everything's in the description if you want to get more information or join. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.